hello. Good morning. Once again, please welcome to my YouTube channel, Juliet Alpha Bravo. This time, we are preparing for the part of CDO, Makabalan Port. We are in the process of clearing. We have Coast Guard on board now. Our sir, very handsome and very kind Coast Guards. This is my chief mate. This is my cadet. This is my clearing Sir Benji. My helmsman there. Yeah. Apo. Thank you po, sir. Thank you po. We are in this position now. One ship ahead of us. One ship 10 meters distance. Yeah. We will be departing no tag assist. We will be departing no tag assist. Thank you.
Last one. Wala tayong binigay na standby, sir, no?
Last one. Kasi natin tanong mga S5.
S5.
Slowly back your space forward.
S5 no, sir.
Slowly back your space forward.
Propeller
Clear, okay.
Still is 5, sir. Still is 5, sir. Hindi gumagana radyo niya. Stop ba?
Paano na sitwasyon mo dyan? Okay.
10 na yan, sir, no? Zero pitch. Bawan to 4. Still is 5, sir. Minus 20.
You're the man.
Still is 5, sir. Midship. Buka na, guys. Buka na. Midship na, sir.
Minus 20.
1.8, sir. Zero pitch. Natibay.
Zero pitch, sir.
S5. Plus 5. Matras ka. Rather S5, sir.
Just 5, sir.
Matras ka mo, guys. Bawan to 4.
one to four,
Bye-bye,
sir,
Kalaya.
plus 5. Copy forward to line ulit. One to Spanish at one to four, bow, plus 5, sir.
Still is 5, sir.
Bow 2 to 4.
Bow 2 to 4. 1 meters. Bow 2 to 4, sir, plus 5.
Wala na, guys. Here to spot.
Up to 13 meters.
Boy?
2 to 4, bow, sir, plus 5.
Ha?
Sir, may kalaban nila City, sir, ah. Kalaban nila City.
City?
Oh, sabi ni Poy Poy.
Forward.
City lang. Punta muna tayo sa Angkor. Para libre siya dito. Dito man yan.
2 to 4, bow, sir, plus 5.
Still is 5. That's 5. Bye-bye, guys. Oh, bukan na. Last day.
Plus 10, sir, good. Wow.
Midship!
2 to 4, bow, plus 10.
Ah, City pala yun. Hindi pala yung City. Rather midship, sir, ah. Zero pitch.
Zero pitcher. Wow.
Hardport! Last Rather hardport, sir. Rather hardport. Oh, clear to. Okay, well, clear to. Sail na, guys. Stop ba? Still rather hardport, sir. Plus 20. Ay, bye-bye, makabalan.
Plus 20.
Transfer.